Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to convert MHT file to PST. Search on Google Recover MHT Converter Wizard. Click on Download. Install now. Click on Select Files option to select your MHT files from a folder. Click on Select Folders option to select folders containing MHT files. Select MHT Files folder. Click on PST. Select Destination folder. Trial version converts limited 25 items, by license to get the unlimited access. Buy activate the software here. Open destination folder for output. Converted PST file.